Superflower booth, Computex. From the start, I liked the product. I remember in the past when I first seen their logo and Superflower, I said, "Hey, what the hell is that?" Once, yeah, it looked too weird for me, but once I tested them and I realized the performance, I said, okay, this is the real thing. Now, we have Superflower LeadDex 7, 1200, 7X Platinum, and 8X 3-pass. Intel lists as 3.1. The thing is, in these PSUs, they don't use the native 16-pin connector, 12 plus 4 pin. So, automatically, if they meet 8X version 3 standard requirements, they can go to 8X version 3.1 automatically. Actually, the 8X version 3.1 is loser in hold up time. It requires only 12 milliseconds hold up time, while the 8X version 3 wants 17. So it is easier now for power supplies to meet the newest Intel 8X spec. So let's move. LeadDex 7 again here. Compact dimensions.
Should have stayed up enough.
Zillion. This is new. This I don't know. It's bronze. Yeah, that's mainstream. Steel.
Compact.
Gold compact. Yeah. 8X version 3 or 3.1. Let's see what else we have here.
The redundant power supply.
Redundant. Oh, okay. Guys, I have something to reveal here. I see everybody making high capacity PSUs for AI. Okay. Gaming first, VR, AI now. Everybody is super thrilled about AI. They want to make super powerful PSUs because they believe that consumers will buy a 2000 watt Monster or a 3000 watt Monster to put inside their PCs. Yeah, this is ridiculous, okay? Whoever wants to make an AI workstation will use these PSUs. Server PSUs, redundant PSUs. They won't bother using a plain desktop PSU to build an AI system because it will be too noisy. 3000 watt PSU, 4000 watt PSU, you need the fan spinning like a helicopter. You cannot tolerate that. So for me, as I see it, it is ridiculous to have power supplies above 1600 watt capacity. It's just ridiculous. You just take server units, you put them on. Server units, they can go up to 4 kilowatts, 6 kilowatts, whatever you want. There is no restriction there. And build a damn workstation, put it in the server room, put it in the garage, put it in your neighborhood's home, I don't know, so you don't have to listen to that, and it will be far easier for you and easier for me. Okay, I don't want to spend my time testing 2000 and 3000 watt PSUs. I cannot understand that. But anyway, they will sell probably 50, 100 PSUs per brand. I'm talking about the super high capacity units, and that's it all. While server units sell thousands. I was talking with a guy from a close friend actually, from Great Wall. He was telling me that the server units sales have gone through the roof. Too many brands, companies want to enter the server market right now because of AI. Yeah. So this is the future as I see it. And speaking of ridiculously high capacity units, yeah, 2800 watt PSU. Still the dimensions are normal. It's not supersized. For example, this is the 1600 watt PSU. This is 2800 watt PSU. You see, the dimensions are not that large, but forget that in the US unless you have a 230 volt socket to use that. Okay. So. Two. Four. 2F plus 4 pin connectors. 4. Yeah, okay. As I told you before, very few consumers or brands or companies will want to build a workstation using these PSUs, but in any case, okay, Superflower made them. I will have to test them. The thing is, to test that for RTX 3.1, it means that I have to go double its capacity. Eric, how it's double its capacity? It's
How?
2800 watts, tell me. Come on, you can do that?
1,600.
4000.
600.
5?
500, 6,000?
Yeah.
What is it? I'm confused now.
5000.
I was so close.
only 1000 away. Okay. So yeah, this guys is insane. But anyway, when you will release that in the market?
At this moment, we plan to launch it around like Q3. We have
Q3.
testing sample, and around October we have mass production to.
You have testing sample.
Testing sample around like in the end of July or
August.
August.
Okay. And how much this will cost? US dollars? Around?
At this moment, I don't have the information.
About.
5,000.
No, 800.
I think we will set up same as current 2,000 watt. That's
Okay.
the same price.
The same price?
Yes. For
Which is?
MSRP.
Which is?
Maybe 600.
600. Okay,
Yeah.
$600. Okay, given that the Seasonic 1600 TX, I believe it's around 500 or 460. $600 for a 2800 watt PSU, I think it's reasonable. Okay, it's reasonable. For me, it's unnecessary, but if you want to make a system with 4 4090s or 4 5090s once they come out, yeah, actually, I don't know. So, here we have an SFX unit. What some other brands do. To save space, this is 1000 watt. This thing is 1000 watt. Yeah, that's this thing. So, some brands and manufacturers, to cheat, what they do, these sockets are extended, are out of the chassis to save space, to have more space inside the chassis for the parts, for the components. Superflower, as you can see, didn't do that. They didn't cheat. The sockets are inside. So you have a pure SFX form factor. Okay. 1000 watt. Okay. I'm expecting for that for testing. Will be interesting. And it has also a native 12 volt 2x6 connector. Native. Interesting.
And also here we have like Computex for like liquid cooler, like 420 and 360. So we also could see the 14 centimeter.
Yeah.
So we could do two. So 280 and 240.
So Superflower also enters the water cooling business, the cooling business in general. They started with these fans, which I found that they were pretty good. I like them. Although noisy, they are among the most powerful fans you can find in today's market, but they're good overall. You can check the badges, their performance to Cybernetics. Cybernetics just issued performance badges for cooling fans. In cooling solutions now, water cooling, I haven't tested this. I have checked some of their coolers so far, but I don't see them here.
Air cooler.
Yeah, they are not here.